So imagine you're in your backyard, you're playing catch with your future son or daughter, and you don't know how to throw a baseball correctly. And you're sitting here and you're like, well, I want to learn how to throw a ball correctly. Now, today, I'm going to show you how. So, there are three main things that you need to do in order to throw the ball correctly. There's grip, there's the fundamentals, and then there's the actual process of throwing the baseball. So to start, we will talk about the grip. Now, there are two kinds of grips that I will show you today. There is a grip called a four seam, and when you throw the ball, it should spin just like this. It should spin straight. You should see all four seams when you throw it. Now, when you throw the four seam, when you throw it, it comes off your wrist. You want it to spin as fast as it can in a straight line. The straighter it is, the better it is, because it'll be tight and it'll be the fastest pitch possible, because the quickest way to something is a straight line. Now, the two seam, when you throw it, spins like this. You can alter how the ball moves by putting pressure on the ball. So, if I put pressure with my right finger, the ball will tail down to the right. If I put pressure with my left finger, the ball will tail to the left. Now, we will go through the actual process of pitching, or throwing. So, you want to start with a good base. When you come up, if you come up with your leg, your glove moves the same time. That's all it is. It's just this motion right here. You want to keep it as if there's a string attached to the glove. That's all it is. And if your hand were to break, let's say my partner is over here. If I come up and I break to my partner, if my knee moves down, my glove moves down. So you always want to come up, you want to keep the ball up as high as you can, or whatever's comfortable to you, and you kind of want to point your glove towards your partner. And when you throw it, you want to tuck this glove into your shoulder so you can get the good torque right here, and you want to get your ball out in front to your partner. Straight line. Now, when you point to them, you always want to keep your eye on the glove the whole time. Nothing else. If you're looking anywhere else and you get distracted, you'll make a bad throw. So, you come up here, power T. This is called a power T. You want to get in a really strong position with your legs and your arms. They should be just about somewhat same distance between themselves. And then when you throw, you just want to tuck your glove, and you want to bend over your front knee. But you want to try to keep your chest up. When you throw it, you want to kind of keep your chest up, and you throw it. And you want to take this back leg and bring it around here. You want to be able to push off with this side right here, come up, push here, and then throw. The whole time, you want to keep your head as still as possible, because if I'm looking at my partner over there, if my head's wobbling around, I'll lose sight of where I want to actually throw it. So, then you have the actual process of throwing the ball. So when you come up and you throw it, you want to make sure you really get out in front, and when you release it, you want to try to snap down as hard as you can, because the faster you spin it, the more rotations the ball will go. So if I'm throwing a four seam and I spin it really fast, it'll just go faster naturally. If I spin it really fast with a two seam, it'll move a whole lot more and it'll be a lot harder to hit. So today we covered the grips of a two seam and a four seam. We went over what the balls actually do when you throw them. We talked about the fundamentals with keeping your legs in your glove at the same time. Talked about the power T position. Talked about when you throw it, you want to tuck your glove and point the ball where you want it to go. Bending over your front knee, keeping your chest up. Then when you throw it, you want to bring this back leg around, because the momentum from your back leg should push you forward to the catcher or whoever you may be throwing it to. And then when you're about to release it, you want to snap down as hard as you can to create the extra spin rate to make the ball go even faster. Thank you for listening to my speech. I hope you really enjoyed it.
How was it? Good?
Yay.
Yeah, I gotta do this real quick.